Is Mount Kenya region, well known for its unity and influence in Kenyan politics, headed down to a road of division? Well, Public Service CS Geoffrey Ruku has reignited a debate where he says that Mount Kenya West is more developed than Mount Kenya East. In this episode, let us break it down where the division first started.
Sisi tunajiita Itungati from the east of the mountain. Itungati ziko katika kona yote ya mlima.
The political conversation in the Mount Kenya region is once again taking a center stage, with leaders sending contrasting messages on the future of the region. Public Service CS Geoffrey Ruku has sparked debate after raising concerns over what he described as disparities in development between Mount Kenya East and Mount Kenya West. According to Ruku, residents deserve equal access to government project opportunities regardless of which part of the region they come from.
77.7% ya mabarabara imejengwa kona ile ingine ya Mlima West. 22.3% ndiyo imejengwa kona hii ya Mlima East. Kwani sisi ni watoto ya Maumau? Gaziada home, Gaziada home, Gaziada home, Matiangi home, Matiangi home. Wamarwa home, Wamarwa home, Madagaroa home, Madagaroa home, Karonzo Musyoka home, Karonzo Musyoka home.
Ruku's remarks come at a politically sensitive time. For months, Mount Kenya has witnessed growing political divisions following the fallout between President William Ruto and DCP's Rigathi Gachagua. The disagreement has seen leaders within the region align themselves with different political camps, with some backing the Kenya Kwanza administration, while others rally behind Gachagua opposition politics. The divisions have also been reflected during the recently concluded Olkalau by-elections, where political parties turned the contest into a test of influence ahead of the 2027 general election. However, the Deputy President Kithure Kindiki emphasized that unity remains the region's greatest strength and urged leaders to focus on development rather than political competition. He maintained the government programs are intended to benefit all Kenyans and appealed to residents not to allow political differences to weaken the region's voice.
Mistaki, kwa sababu mimi natoka area hii, mimi sitaki jamii yetu itengane. We are one people. I don't want to see our community talking in different languages. We are one people. Yes.
His message comes as the Kenya Kwanza administration continues efforts to strengthen support in Mount Kenya, a region that played a significant role in the coalition's victory in the 2022 general election. However, with political realignments already taking shape ahead of 2027, analysts believe that every statement by senior leaders is likely to be viewed through a political lens. Some see Ruku's remarks as highlighting genuine concerns over equitable development, while others believe public disagreements among government leaders risk fueling unnecessary divisions. With the next general election drawing closer, competition for the region's support is expected to intensify, making unity, development, and leadership some of the defining issues in the months ahead. As leaders continue to shape the political conversation in Mount Kenya, the big question remains, will calls for unity overshadow growing concerns about development and representation, or are these debates a sign of a larger political realignment ahead of the 2027 general election? Christabel Njeri, and this is PMTV.